Many materials artists had turned out to be successful due to their constant perseverance, dedications, and determination towards their art form. This had inspired many children from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district to pursue martial arts as their professions. Likewise, on 15th of January, Academy of the Martial Arts Assam, in collaboration with Mansuria Kung Fu International, organized felicitation cum bell grading program at Kheroni Higher Secondary School, West Karbi Anglong district. Many had enrolled their names in various martial arts, while some bringing laurels to the district by bagging national and international medals. Baburam Rongpar, VDC chairman of Kopili constituency, attended as the chief guest of the event. Avinash Bey, Vice President of Academy of the Martial Arts Assam, Kheroni branch, Dhon Singh Dera, Father Binod, Ibungobi Singh, Coach Pradeep Singh, Chief Technical Director cum Examiner, and members of Academy of the Martial Arts Assam attended the event. It was informed that bell grading event was organized to motivate and encourage the children to excel and achieve greater heights in the said professions.
উঠিয়া ল'ৰাবিলাকক যিখিনি আকৌ বেছি মেডেল পাই কিনে এইখিনিতে এবাৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্ট টুৰ্ণামেণ্ট পাতিবৰ কাৰণে আশা কৰিছোঁ আৰু মই পাৰে সেইটো আমি কণ্ট্ৰল কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি চব ল'ৰাবিলাকৰ ডিচিপ্লিন আৰু মাৰ্চেল আৰ্টটো আমি শিকাওঁ প্ৰজন্মৰ লগতে মহিলা ছোৱালীবোৰৰ কাৰণে কি ক'ব মানে মেইনলিটো ল'ৰা ছোৱালীৰ কাৰণে গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে বেছি ইনচেণ্টিভ দিছে মাৰ্চেল আৰ্টটো সমৰ কলাটো সেইকাৰণে বেছিভাগ গাৰ্জেনবিলাকে ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবিলাকৰ বিশেষকৈ গাৰ্লছবিলাকৰ বেছি incentive logo beli akak kursus masalah.
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live.